This segment is sponsored by Virtuoso Builders.
Well, the perfect home remodel comes with a lot of choices, from countertops to fixtures and floors, and it is a good thing to have a plan. So Mike and Molly Salary with Virtuoso Builders are back this morning with the do's and don'ts when it comes to the remodel selection process. It's good to see you guys. Thanks for coming.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, Mike, let's start with you, and let's talk about selections and when you are supposed to start shopping for those things. And we're talking about countertops, we're talking about floors, cabinets, all that stuff. Where do you start?
You want to start right away.
Okay.
Because one thing affects another, right? So let's say you want a 30-inch wall oven instead of a 27, well, then that affects how the cabinet's designed, affects the amount of countertops that you want. So you do want to start that right away. You don't want to make decisions as you go.
Okay.
If you do, then yeah, you have to have a plan, and you won't have as much control of your budget and your timeline if you do that.
Okay, so what if someone's working on a remodel? Should they go and do the selection process on their own?
That would be a don't.
Right?
Don't, because if you do that on your own, it's overwhelming. There are so many choices. It's just, you could blow your budget that way. So what we do is we put a comprehensive list together. It's got all of your fixtures, everything by category, and we even have our preferred vendors on those lists. We make the appointment, everything, so it makes it a lot easier.
You know, and think about that. If you're trying to go out and do stuff on your own, I mean, I don't know who to go to. You guys have the connections, and that's why it's important to work with someone who knows what they're doing. It's okay, probably, though, to get inspiration online, right?
Sure. Well, we do say that's a do. You do want to get inspiration, collect images online, magazines, but what you don't want to do is overdo that, because we can figure out out of 10, 12 images what your style is, even what your budget is from what you like and what you don't like. If you don't need 200, 300 images of a kitchen.
Right?
It's too much.
It is too much. So just a couple of pictures is a great way to start when you come to start working with a designer. Okay, so let's talk about the cost of a remodel. What are some do's and don'ts when it comes to the cost?
Well, you don't want to underestimate the cost, right? Even from a year ago to today, costs have gone up, and they will continue to go up. But you do want to plan about 15 to 20% above the cost of the remodel for unknowns that could potentially happen throughout the process.
Okay.
But remodeling is expensive, and so you don't want to underestimate that.
It is expensive, but the finished product is always so beautiful, and we've been seeing some pictures pop up of work that you guys have done. It is absolutely worth the process,
we think so.
Yes, it is.
We agree.
Yeah.
We agree.
That's so beautiful. Guys, there's a QR code there on your screen. That is the easiest way to get to Virtuoso Builders. Just scan it. It'll take you straight to their website. They've got a ton of great information, lots of pictures and videos that you can check out there. Virtuoso Builders are here in San Antonio by appointment only, so give them a call at 210-525-8750. You can also go online at virtuosobuilders.com for more information.